Regina from Pampered Soaps, back to you on this wonderful Saturday for another how-to video. Today I am making my lemongrass with nettle leaf chunky soap. I use an infused oil, which is lemongrass, which is what you see right here. I actually infuse it with heat for 18 hours on very low, and then after 18 hours I still let it cure for about 3 to 4 weeks. So that's what you see here. The benefits of lemongrass, I just want to explain why we do this. The benefits of the herb are it promotes sleep, it helps with relaxation, it has antibacterial properties as well as some anti-inflammatory properties. So it's very useful in soap. So we use this. I'm going to go ahead and strain this for you guys and mix it into my oil. So as soon as I get this all strained out, I will be right back. Okay everyone, welcome back. I have drained out my lemongrass infused oil. See, it's a little green here. I'm also going to use some nettle leaf, what you see here. I'm going to add it to the oil. I use these two together because nettle leaf soothes irritated skin. It's good for like eczema, dermatitis, acne as well. It also has a great strong histamine. So between this and lemongrass, they work well together. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the oil and mix this up really good. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix up my lye water and my oils, and then I will be back to show you the rest of the recipe here. We'll be right back. Okay everyone, we are back. I have my 10-pound mold here. I blended everything. We do not need any color with this particular recipe because of the infused oils. The nettle leaf especially kind of has a beautiful green, so if you can see that, let me get my camera here. Give me a second. That's what it looks like. So it's perfectly green already, has the herbs already in there. And I'm going to go ahead and pour it into this big old 10-pound mold here. And here we go. All natural, beautiful. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Let me just hit it a little bit. Then I'm going to put my dividers in here. Make sure you guys can see that. Yeah, it looks good. Just going to put a pinch more. There we go. There we go. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and spray that down a little bit. Love the color. Look at that. Gorgeous. Spray it down with alcohol. I'm going to just take my spoon here and tap it a little bit so it's all even before I put the dividers in. Okay. There we go. Perfect natural color from infused herbs. Love it. Love the lemongrass. And I also put a little bit of the lemongrass essential oil that we make using the same lemongrass herbs into it for a little extra scent. I'm going to go ahead and put the dividers in now. If I can do this without making a mess. Just put them in there. Perfect. And then slightly give them a little push down. This mold likes to give me a hard time sometimes, so I never know how it's going to act. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So this will actually sit for 2 days before I actually unmold it. And then I'm just going to put the top on top and we're good to go. We will come back and do a video for the unmolding of it so you can see what it looks like once it's finished in 2 days. If you like videos like this, you can check us out every Saturday. We'll do videos of candle making, herbal medicine, and cold processed soaps. And please comment below if there's anything else you want to see. Subscribe if you like. And we'll see you next week, Saturday. Be blessed.